Hello, welcome to TenorShare. I'm sure you've all recently heard of a very popular mobile game called SoundMap. But do you know how to play SoundMap? How to move in SoundMap without walking and without a band? In today's video, I will show you one by one, and I'll summarize how to avoid getting a ban in the last part of the video. Jump to that part if you want. First, let's introduce SoundMap. SoundMap is a mobile game based on GPS location, which is similar to Pokémon Go or Monster Hunter now. The difference is that it's a game of collecting music. We call them drops. We can see a lot of drops scattered on the map, and then we need to get close to the drops to collect them. Different colors of drops represent different music types, such as pop, rock, EDM, and R&B. Each song has a rarity, common, uncommon, rare, or shiny like Pokémon Go, and epic. When you get the drops, you can immediately sell them for coins or trade with others. The more drops you collect in a week, the more XP you will gain to advance to the next ranking league. Okay, let's talk about how to move in SoundMap without walking and without getting a ban. I will recommend iInigo. iInigo is the best and most stable location changer for SoundMap on PC Mac, Android, and iOS. First, open iInigo Location Changer on PC. If you want to change location to other regions, please close SoundMap ahead of time. Let's go to New York, for example. Then open the game. After that, to avoid getting a ban, do not directly jump close to drops by Change Location function anymore. Now let's choose joystick to move in SoundMap. Set a reasonable speed of moving. Then, you can collect the drops without walking. SoundMap updates the songs based on the large region where you first logged in. If you are going to another region, you need to close SoundMap and reload again. You will see the songs in the new region. Okay, now let me summarize how to avoid getting a ban in SoundMap. Tip 1. Do not directly jump in SoundMap by Change Location function, even though jump for 1 km. Tip 2. When you move in SoundMap by joystick, set a reasonable speed. Do not move too fast. Tip 3. If you want to teleport to other regions, please close the game before you teleport. Tip 4. If there is no drop in your region, please check the network and reload the game. Okay, that's all for today. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to us. If you have a question, please leave your comment below or join our Discord for instant support. See you guys in the next video.